believe it is Friday. Had pretty bad storms last night. It was thunder and lightning and lots of rain Thursday night. And the rain kind of slowed off and it was windy all night and rained off and on, but probably around 9 o'clock this morning it turned to our normal snowstorm that we get when we're here. Our shoulders holding up okay so far. Knocked some snow off of it a minute ago, but I don't know if you can see it in the video. The snow's coming down pretty good. Hopefully it lets up today, and also hopefully it kicks off the rut for these elk, because they've been very quiet from the weather and the pressure. So I'm gonna hunker down, hopefully hunt this evening if this lets up. So September, Colorado, crazy weather as always. It's snowing so bad it's covered my phone up, can't even hardly video it. So hopefully we don't get snowed in. We got to get out of here Sunday or Monday, so. But this is the weather we needed, hopefully, to snap these elk into gear. We'll check back in later.